In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks or projects in ClickUp. If you need to collaborate with teammates, clients, or anyone else in ClickUp, sharing the right task or project with the right permission level is really important. This helps people access what they need without giving more access than necessary. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to share an individual task, how to send a task link, and how to share a larger project like a space, folder, or list. To begin, open the ClickUp task you want to share. Make sure you're inside the exact task that the other person needs access to, since sharing starts from the task itself. Once the task is open, go to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for that task, where you can control who gets access and what they're allowed to do. Next, find the person you want to share with. You can search for them directly or enter their email address if needed. This is useful when you want to quickly invite someone who may not already be easy to find in your workspace. After that, choose the permission level that fits their role. You can select Full Edit, Edit, Comment, or View Only. Full Edit gives broader control, while Edit allows changes without full control. Comment is helpful for feedback, and View Only is best when someone just needs to see the task without making changes. When you've set the permission, select the person or click Invite to give them access. At this point, the task is shared and they'll be able to access it based on the permission you chose. If you also want to send them the task directly, click Copy Link. Then send that link to the person so they can open the task quickly without having to search for it manually. To share a larger project instead of just one task, go to the sidebar and hover over the project space, folder, or list. This is where you manage sharing for broader sections of your workspace. Then click the three-dot menu and choose Sharing and Permissions. From there, search for the people you want to share the project with. Once you've added them, choose the appropriate permission level for each person and enable access. As always, it's a good idea to match permissions to what each person actually needs to do. If you want to share the project publicly as a view-only link outside your workspace, enable Share Link with anyone. Then copy the public link and send it to the intended recipient. That's how to share tasks or projects in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.